Guys, this is Caleb over here at Darrell Waltrip Buick GMC in Franklin, Tennessee. Today I'm going to show you how to use the cargo mode on a 2016 Ford Expedition. Let's check it out. So with this three-way split seat, what you're going to want to do is pull to put the headrest down. Pull this lever, fold that, and then right here it says cargo mode. You'll pull that all the way up and it goes down just a little bit more. When you have the captain's chairs in cargo mode, that is the 4 to 5 inch difference that you have, but full pass through. Put it back up, it's a little bit easier. So you'll grab the shoulder, pull it up, it'll hit its notch one more time, and now you're back to normal. Again, it's Caleb over here at Darrell Waltrip Buick GMC in Franklin, Tennessee. Like always, doing your car reviews and your car tutorials. Come check it out over here at Darrell Waltrip Buick GMC in Franklin, Tennessee. I'll see y'all soon.